What's happening, y'all? It's Josh from Drive the Coast. Just got an absolutely gorgeous 1973 International Scout 2 in stock. Truck is from New Mexico. Been there its whole life, restored there as well. It's got brand new, gorgeous paintwork. Real slick, real smooth, and real straight. Stripes were done super nice. Take a look down the side. Just got gorgeous body panels. No waves. Real smooth paint on it. Nice reflections in there as well. Seats was all just recovered. Super clean there. Dash is real clean as well. Steering wheel looks great. Got a 345 V8 motor with an automatic 3-speed transmission. Obviously got 4-wheel drive as well. This hardtop was a brand new kit. So brand new panels. They assembled it all there in New Mexico and put it on there, so it's like new, no rust in it anywhere, just super clean. Quarter panels same way, absolutely gorgeous. Got new BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. It's like a new bumper back here with a 2-inch receiver hitch. Super clean metal on the side here, wheel wells as well. Oh, very nice. Door panels matches the seats. Original VIN. And you have two hands, I don't know. Fires right up. It's got push button start right there. 4x4 automatic. The power steering. That's great. Just drop the phone there. Let's go for a little drive. Got another Scout here, just got in stock. If you're looking for the earlier generation. It does have a crack here in the windshield. This is a cold start. You let it warm up a little bit. Driving like a beauty. If we can earn your business on it, guys, give me a call. Thanks so much for watching.